Hello, my beautiful people. Now, welcome back to Audrey's TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anytime when I take come across this video, how na dey up, so na dey okay. Today, guys, we get Sarah T-Boss in the house today. She gave better information from now. So, as I dey waka dey go for Facebook now, they see and now see my camera can't give me correct people. So, guys, now we dey do one for you now. So they hot now. They bring on the coin, not the code. So, wanna hit the subscribe, wanna subscribe as they hot. Wanna let her go for and subscribe. Okay, guys, wanna enjoy this video and.
Gele gele no tonya panugu kawa na we nugu redo tonya panugu oh avati ware la akobe one mind it it's the coin this is not the one where no mama dey sound. These are the one now they send the sound that they come my boss before they call the threatening, they create sound that fire your power, go on bijou. Oh no, they play Benin music again. If you not let you look, if you say my platform not let you look, you not feel look, get the fuck out. Ukpawo no gunke value if you were. Oh yeah. Now play Benin music, now speak Benin, you go on boy. Wow warrior. Oh yeah, Roy Pake hoy. La hiwanare. Ide mad you buff. Oga when the guys say do go boy. Oh here ka walka wu. We ma give mo hu we ande ni medere. You ma give mo hu wa no ni dere. Oh da no any here. Oh yeah. If I don't want to speak Benin, you don't say I want to speak Benin. You're going to tell me I not. Unfortunately, me I not speak where my father from come. Wa big man, idiot, hungry thing. Like for real. They are good Benin, like good ones. They. Where my father from come, they born you rich. You say me not speak Benin. Ogun ba val where. Wow, warrior, idiot. Not play Benin music. Not near Benin. Like, are you mad? Wow, no make God punish your children. Call right for my platform again. No, better still. Come meet me for my face to face. Now they play Benin music again. Now they speak Benin again. Wow, man. If you know, say you be man, I better be joy be or say, boomia and face to face. Ogun boy. Wow, warrior. Aí mi carrière. Oh ya panugu. Gele no to ya panugu. Come no we nugu redo to ya panugu. Tonya panugu. Gele na Tonya panugu. Tonya panugu. Come no we nugu redo Tonya panugu. Well, don't want no mukba. Yeah, very ne. I mean, you guy. See the idiot. That is no number they call again. See and see the. Wagumi amo bon bag. But remember I mean they swear for and this idiot when they call so. The idiot they watch me here. Naira that in yours now. Gumi amo bog. But when I mean they swear for. See them. Make una me they swear for the people when they use the name of the Owano what they do bad. Wagumi amo bog. If you don't ni manora gumi amo bog. Ni are negi na they. Oh no buy yati. I know them. They're not there. Now that's what they do. Or when I'm a bogbean. Now they swear for them. Now they don't they use their number to the come. Now look back. Wait, I want to do something here right now. Wait. Why is there so? Who are so woo? Who are so woo? Wait. Love you guys, love you. They'll come my inbox, my number when I put for social media. They'll come and they call me. If you can't write anything when you want write here, if you write on here, I will block you. You see the SIM card when you see for my social media. I won't change my line of business on social media, okay? So you see the SIM card when you take the call. See, I want to break it. By the way, I the land me. Why dear my money now I'm going back buware. See, it's broken. You can't call my line. Threaten your papa, threaten your mama for your house. You can't dare. You see the number? I don't break her. Okay? Die. We wow die. That number we take the calls now, don't break her. It go in. That big boy had excuse. You know what's the number they call me again? Nice one, yes now. I don't break them. I thought that they call my but they call it, you know if you call it again. It's always one that they use the one up what they call me. Hey, where is it so? We take baby and what to be a call or no number. You know we see number they call me again. I'm say you won't use or no number. And now when he make me break this SIM card of my business, now God will punish all your children will die for now. Because this number when I put them on my business line. My business line I put for them. I don't shop, I don't break them. Now so God take all your own children when they call me for him, but when I not put the number for number pound on my head, it's broken. The number I not. Why that be me? He can't pay. I don't do my thing for. I won't change the line of my business. The line of my business. I won't change. Yes, no. I won't change. Not be the way they call me direct. Yes, I love you, beautiful. I love you too. Yeah, I worry about more. Everyone come make mistake that day. They can't talk. Waiting, they're not supposed to talk about Bola Wegbe. Worry about done. They call me with a no number because you know man enough. They be call na do ye jo ari jo irio en area the SIM card in area. Ina go again. Make una be happy. The number when they call me for, I know they go again. Make una be happy. Oh God. Ina they go again. I want to change the line of my business. Die. You know, now because my business, now that made me put the line for there before. Because my business. And no go here, no ya feel line for no. Well, no problem. God is planning bigger thing for me. So I don't change them. If they come with a no about your frustration will increase now. You know go see me call again. You won't go they threaten me waiting. They not send you for a guy. And when you are give away, who do I call it and you do attack and no go and bugwa. You now go call a girl. You now go call a girl. You now go call a girl. That what is the sweet. You won't down here waguna. You know if you call again. That's what it say. That's the way this. That's your pan. Wow, worry about bon. I'm idiot. I've done. There be once it start again. I tell swing. Wow, what idiot. They call my private, they call my business line. I love you so much. I love you too. You know what I'm saying? They call again. I don't go even pick him. I don't think I say, waiting I go do this idiot when he go paint them. Now to your shop this SIM card because now this line. Because now if I marry, okay? See my husband for them. So you know they plan another business for me. Not be all the record when they threaten me. See there with Amo. So he just ran another line of business for my online business. But before then, when I go die. You know what's no but they call me again. I'm idiot. And I'm here routine and no buy. People when supposed to even call the line, they know they call again. Now all those idiots, frustrated, useless people, they'll go they call my line. Idiots. If they know they even they both they use their real number. You can't bother use your real number. But WhatsApp. Wait, me I cancel the WhatsApp. Because as I change and so I'll still cancel the WhatsApp. No one, no fly. And if you want inbox, you say you won't buy anything. Before I will bring my new style of business for Facebook. My email there. If na real market you want buy, if you don't make your payment, I will feed you my order. I get new line for here. That one not the social media. You know even there with anybody. Say man, I mean you call the make they do what no one supposed to do. I worry about more. I'm idiot. Maybe say see anywhere you work there. Now me cause one a day for na body. Haba. May I cancel this number here before they call the may I cancel all of them? Oh, I want to do this one now because this number see I don't remove SIM card. I need to wipe all the WhatsApp on film. Can never ever reach me again. Never. Because I not be on a mate. All those idiots. May you what? Because should they get size? Oh, I need to remove. Delete my contacts. Wait till me I put new line. This my new line with there. Ni zans ni fearful you ha. Oh warrior. Now me won't call they threatening for you. Die if I see you for you, I block you. Block my is Lisa. Okay, you are out. Get the fuck out. Bye bye. I just want to touch you. Don't come out. You don't need to stay here too much. Okay, you don't need to be here that long. Make it distance yourself from the scam. Yes, now. Abba. Of course. You can't reach me. Why if you're not letting you sleep? They wait for audio. Like, are you for real? See me loser for your back. Go on for there will be me loser. Okay, I know this person, you are blocked. Oh yeah, come on for here. I never let that face when you put. Come on, will be me loser when they see for your back. I don't know why now they feel like I don't know. Wait, me and this one not come. I don't show the SIM card, so I need to remove them from my phone to delete them finally from my phone. You can't reach me. None of any idiot can reach me no more. I'm going to be changing my line of business on social media. I'll say they do my advert. If you won't get my waist trainer, everything, but I won't change the titles. But until then, wait and relax. More the cash phone, okay? Wait and relax. Because if not because my number, one of those idiots they see. They call me, they talk rubbish, and if they see me for road, they can't even stalk. They not even do. I can't give dirty things. They can't enter my inbox. They collect my number anyhow. For what now? This big babe like as me be boss. reach. Eh? They mad. Come here, if I not like your comment, I'll block you. Why are man? You not go see nobody come here. Go. Not baggy raw. Don't block your head. As I don't enter, they come with private number. Wa worry about bon. Wa soon where the never wa. Inu one ogi room me. Imu umma no mama bad thing to do for the social media. God will punish you now. Yeah, people. Danny Royal or the bad one. And God will still continue to bless the good beneath. Dan waro, believe me, you dan day. I won't dan waro way. Now that they call my inbox. Rubbish. Call her now where I go. Yet here do you jaggy jo. Now they go again cause I not be your mate. You that idiot. I not be your mate. You see that number, you not go again. Call her now where I go. Call her. Yeah, call her that you go. Now you not go again. You not go again. And God will punish you now when you make me break this SIM card. Cannot be your money I take, but not be you buy this SIM card for me. Now my business line, now it be this. Una children not go see better thing. If una they plan good thing, favor, way forward for una children, it go they turn to sickness, backward for una children. Gonna because of my business, now make people my number for there. Because of my business, now make people put on. Why now where I won't done or why now where I get business number me here where? When I here va was soon where the never wa. I'm not worried. Before my new line of business will come aboard, I don't break am oh, I don't break am. You know go, you go cry. You don't go see where I leave your voice message. Because I don't want to even hear your bullshit, your crap. All those your useless talk now frustrate. How can person not go sleep? 4 o'clock. I go they sleep in the night. You not go sleep. Egbe man, mama say where you work where. Egbe man who you could they send me message 4 o'clock in the midnight. Meaning when mommy over you no see sleep because my matter. Hey, not when Musa no go see forget. They know they see sleep because my own matter. In am over 4 o'clock you go they write. They say message. Hey. You don't see this kind of thing before. So, Naim. So, for the records, watch the video. Go tell your co-enemy. Say the number, she don't break. And he know see number 10 right time ago. We know see number 10 and say, see what they talk for war, for big ass. So we know see number 10 and go tell your useless people like that. Say, I don't break on here. I don't break on here. Yes, now. Because I not be your mate. May you I not be your mate for this. I not talk of next life. Okay. Wanna be like Coco Shoe. See me or my sister. See me. I went up with my mama there. Before now they do all those rubbish. I thought they make another plan for my own business online. Yes, I thought they think because if you ready for what I thought they take another thing. Or they do my advert. Why the big level? As now the pursue person they gonna suppose they think of the bigger one to do. Yes, now you did there, you don't get life. Nothing they think to do with your life. Me, I don't go for my driving school this morning now. Where you go? A government I mean worry when boss. Nothing will not let you talk for him boss. Now to come they call the other ways now for you, they threaten kill you. If you see me for granted, you they dab. You go dab for me. Play the audio first. Okay, audio not like seriously. Many people not sleep. Like one person tell me I say you not sleep because of audio. Move on. You know see I break the SIM card. This person not there yours now. See the SIM card. See the SIM card. See the SIM card. I break them. Those that was watching, the idiot they call me for no number. I don't know about the they call. I break the SIM card and I feel like if not be say the SIM card be like this thing. I be one shopper. I feel like shopping the SIM card like shop and small. Shop and small. They spit and throw for in eye. Now I be one yours do. I do my business online. I do my thing. Not be that one take the pay rent though. So only me go pay rent itself. You when they call me, they threaten me. No go fancy want to pay rent. Me no the pay rent though. I don't know how they pay this internet. Me might even pay. I don't know how it's paid. I don't know how they pay. I'm just doing my own thing to earn my own money online, even if now okay, it's okay. And we wake back boy who wani. The back boy we all who wa. See how they break the SIM card. I want pieces, I want pieces, I want pieces. So my people, if you want to order for that will not be my real this thing. I want PC the SIM card. If I not PC this SIM card, the physical call pass here come. So I want pieces and small because if it still ring like this, I want to pieces it to the extent say they know if you call her again. Nobody, they know if you call her him. You know the worry brain liver. I feel talk for not go richness tomorrow. I know get problem. So the matter on ground. This matter of audio of everything, that is why it's good though. My name be there inside the thing though. There we put my name, please don't. Me I not be children. Me not be children. Me not be picking. When they call me, they threaten me for a boss. Me not be children. Eh? I person go get in your children, they plan way forward for you. You go come they plan, you want to bring my own down. Me not be children. Am I not a children? I will swear for their children. Maybe they inside the audio. Maybe they not be inside the audio. Maybe they inside the name when they bring come out. How come they not they mention my name? How come they not they mention my name? Audio day and that audio na go hear and cause me who are man nobody like no rest. Nobody will rest for this social media. You are not a shy. He said you are not a shy. You see you. Me, I'm not a children. Me, I'm not a children. Abi. Me, I so nice audio in there. Baby, I'll have social media now. So we must hear that audio. So make you know. So make you not worry, okay? Audio day. And that audio must be played. Whether the devil like it or not. See, if now they cause people, audio supposed to play that audio yesterday. The people who are supposed to swear for now, all those tafia. All those tafia caller. No play the audio. Ah, no. No, we're not you who consent them. No play the audio, consign you. If everyone wants to swear, it's swear, now today. If everyone wants to make swear, make it spoil. You know, since they put my name for the talk. The waiting Melissa right come out. Melissa say, Nenemi, say that boss. You know, now I be boss. But why my name not call they go viral? I don't know. They not call they talk my name. They not call they mention my name again. Now that one they pay me for inside. Why not they remove me for inside this matter? Then why not put my name for the first place? If now no say, come here, they like me, my name, they go viral. And they like me, my name, they go viral. If you not go viral for Kwekus opening, you go viral for the other one. So why not they mention my name again? Then you know they mention my name, they put my name inside. Like that. I know they like how. Me like so make una they add my name. When they make una fair put my name inside. And una know they mention my name again. Now that one can't they verse me now. Come here, like my name to be mentioned. T-boss, the old boss. Why I mention any man? Now I get IPO. Because if you not see the post when Melissa, who see the post when Melissa bring comment? So that T-boss there inside though, because he might work back. The T-boss is inside. When I not say I dey inside. But the thing now, they know they mention my name again. They are not mentioning my name again. Titi. Yes, so now me the runner. Now me the chest. I see him. Shall you see my name inside my brother or my sister? Okay, tell me now why they not call they mention my name now. They know you're going to mention my name again. Then they talk about betrayal. If you want to talk about betrayal, okay, but then be betrayal. Okay, but that ugly thing, that buff hero, eh? That buff hero, remove your inside it. Ask me, oh man, hey sweetheart, just imagine they go remove my name, eh? The T-boss, how they go remove my name? I know you're going to hear T-boss again for the issue. They all they do they all they do they know they hear T-boss like that. They hear they like make my name the day front. Make my name the day front line. They all they want they reduce, they want they remove my name. Oh T-boss, you know good though. Make una know they call that person betrayer. Nah, okay, but then I be betrayer. Okay, barrier. Now be betrayer. I don't know how not they look something. Maybe why so we having here. I don't know how not they look. How not they look this whole thing. Okay, barrier. Because you see, una they remove my name inside because my name need to the lad. Una need to the put on. Cause allow I need make it the enter. Cause I mean the chest. Chest here. You they feel me? My name need to the inside. And my name there for the beginning. They put my name. If una know so una no want measure my name inside this one, make una remove one. Cause it dey hot. Cause I know your fish shot. I make una dey measure my name along with it that boss. Why I measure along with it that bobo? Make una dey measure my name along. I beg. Why get any whatever made for sample? I know they like can. They measure my name, Joe. How you remove the Serati boss for conduct? Like, are you okay? I remember they mention my name. I know they like can. Now small thing. What did they invest make people? Which can't think be that? The betrayal here is okay, barrier. Okay, barrier. Na person when he now she even talk and say, make me take her as a godmother, and the thing no you come from my mind like that. Okay, barrier. That ugly thing, that puff. He joined them when they report my page, or he joined all the bars, no. As he ugly for face, now say he ugly for heart. People they ugly for face, they will see ugly for heart. Now me too ugly for face, now so he ugly for heart. He heart ugly. Amen, they ugly. They know they pray me person heart ugly like that. Okay, but he heart too ugly. As he ugly for his face, so now so he ugly for heart. She when they thought say, okay, barrier now this one. Why you betrayer? Why you got this thing? You are a betrayer. She when me they almost call godmother. If not me say I never call and finish the idiot. I never call the godmother finish. I never know is your birthday. Is your birthday. By first godmother, I tire you. You want turn out to by first godmother. The thing not even come out from my mind. They say me I they call and godmother. I was like, how many years you testing on me? You feel even reach or burn one of my leg. If they say me that even you won't burn this my leg, so you feel burn. How much more say my fool me? If me and you stand at top, I like. You feel burn my hand. Say make I use as a godmother. And the godmother thing, no you too. If I they talk and the big man they talk and godmother. By first godmother, I can't be. If you want to take person as godmother, she too ugly. Now person when you see fine, you know, it's too ugly to be my godmother. I didn't know gallant people when I was okay normally. But what to do? Now you say make I call her. This time I never know Easy your birthday like that. Me and I never even they talk. Me and Easy never even they talk. This betrayer. When I know they talk that one, now I make an investment as I want to remove my name. When she take betray the so-called goddaughter, not be my godmother, God forbid that ugly thing. It's too ugly. Me say me ugly. I will cause you go carry that ugly thing as my godmother. Now Bassett your family. Me not too fine like that. I will still go carry that ugly one. No, now Bassett your now Bass family. Now Bassett your family. Which kind of thing be that? Who does that? Why you go ugly? You go they carry godmother when you ugly. No trying. See make one when you go see upgrade, when you go see, they will see look. They will see look your godmother, they will see look you not fine, but your godmother fine, you know. Not be say the two of una go ugly. Even if me, I see fine pass. I see fine pass. Say no to social media godmother. All this 419 godmother, where they do all this ugly godmother. Not if anybody they say make you be godmother, not try them because they're too ugly. Say no to social media godmother. Whatever they do, you wish that dirty godmother be that one. Say no to social media godmother. Wale. Come me double leg, join leg. How can a person when say me be my goddaughter? Facebook don't corrupt. He gonna put me for line. Me no know easy obey this time. Me and easy no they talk. Nothing. He go put easy for phone. That one not be betrayal. Now they talk that one. What is that one called? He go put easy obey for line. Me go they talk. Thank God say yes now they fuck. Una know say I the first talk for you say I they fuck even if I get husband I get a Igbo husband. If I need strong brick, you know say person when does reach 50, we person never see reach 50, not be the same nah. Yeah nah. If I need the 30 years brick, I'll still fuck. Yes nah. You know nah. Thank God say you know, and I then fuck if I want fuck. If not, that is just for draw my leg come out. He don't they draw my leg, they go. If he don't go, if not be say easy, na see correct baby. Easy what the time when me easy con they talk. Now easy tell me when easy tell me say I know everything when you even the operation when you do. As you tell the fuck normally, you know say you the fuck. If you want to share, you know, as you tell the fuck, I say I do this one, I know everything. I was like, ow, me and you they talk. He said now kid okay man here. I see them. He woo. What? See, yeah, godmother. No one that know they use ugly. They don't use the ugly person as godmother. So now a power Igbo you marry. Yes, now. No, you not be if not be a power Igbo, you feel say if I feel bear house for me, we won't let me go there. You don't go Igbo, you wanna go there in the same house. Now a power Igbo, no, a power Igbo, no, sugar daddy they pay this time. Sugar daddy. If not be say this girl. Rita Daniel, that one goes where. If I see you the do plop, you need to marry a part to secure, a part sugar daddy to secure the securable. Then you the go, you the fuck, you can fuck. Now God go punish that sugar daddy when you go say me marry, then me no go fuck. The Chris, he hold prick. Then me no go fuck new prick like young prick. Me they forbid young prick. This one they say play the other play. Like are you for real? Now that they won't cure your depression. I don't understand. You're the not let that one you the right. You know they write on that thing. Like are you for real? Hey, what? May you still wait now? I they talk about the ugly godmother when I be go pull my leg. Ask me I go ugly. I'll say go carry ugly mother like Kero Kevari. See where I be they go. You know go follow me happy. You know go advise this bitch where you be they go. How you go ugly like this? They don't feel they call me man. Say I be transgender. I'll see go carry that kind of ugly thing as a godmother. Is it fair? Is good like that? You know go follow me happy now. No, why go? You know go follow me happy now. I said no jump for inside that ugly thing. That butu. You be like you can't wa. You know go follow me happy. Now when I don't jump inside, you call the lie. You find where if you won't laugh before. Then you will ask me, who be your godmother? You'll say, okay, Jimmy, too ugly. Ah, God, that's not be your godmother. Is that your godmother? You so that you forget up your teeth. Who do care or conway? What do give me? You gonna tell me so as I ugly rich. Missy go carry that one. Ah, Obasanjo, even Obasanjo, Obasanjo fine. Obasanjo fine. Obasanjo too fine. Forget that thing. Me fit there with Obasanjo as my godfather. Obasanjo fine. As my godfather, Obasanjo dey okay. No be okay but here all the ugly be. Poof. Now me can they say how I be not know. I be not know. You know go follow me happy now. You know go follow me happy. Umi keniti ari. You say where I be they go. Go make una for chance laugh me where. godmother who senior. Ask you senior and not be the problem. Who be senior? Me no even know. Because me old. Hey ugly me. I still find someone say they give myself up. Check on now. Me you check okay, but they look us now. Even if I be transgender, maybe ugly is very honey. I see ugly like that. I be say they bring my face come if I don't make up. If me no make up, I say they bring my face. If you see that one, God, thank you for the kind godmother. Which no wonder they don't reject her as a goddaughter. No wonder they force me to make me a be goddaughter. They force me. I say no, nehi kaba. I know they agree. You too, my mind they tell me say you too ugly. If they force me, say I must be goddaughter. Eh? Now you not be saying na me say maybe my godmother. No wonder. They find goddaughter. See, to God who made me, I'm not just saying this as a joke. Now more, can I even call me to even start with? Eh, my people, una dey hear story. When they talk about betrayal. When me see the manage, they call her godmother, the manager, it good make you they put your goddaughter, your so-called goddaughter, transgender. Me na transgender in our bus, into ugly. In our bus and jody. It good to put your transgender goddaughter for line. Make another person dey hear. That one what they call and not be betrayer. He say he will come and he go say he too love me. Oh. I love that my transgender goddaughter. Live and like that you. He will come dey lie. Oh, do I toge fia. Oh, it too dey lie. Baby elephant. Baby elephant. Even like elephant. Oh my goodness. It's good to laugh, my people. Like, it's just so good. I love to dey laugh because if I don't laugh, I will depress. Because me, I don't want to go depressed inside. I love you guys so much. When Nico they put me for ego, I will they talk to her. They tell her, okay, tell they fuck, even if I never fuck Cambo. Okay, say my sugar daddy or Ibo, they let me the fuck. Yes, now if you not let me fuck, I'm not go there with her. Why I go there with sugar daddy or Ibo? When he prick Dusty, okay, Dusty, I not go fuck young one. You know where? I will fuck young one. Better say that one not be news. And they talk and read for social media, like that's why they tell you say anything when I know they talk for social media, I don't fit tell anybody for fun. So forget even if you say now me I don't eat the social media, so now because I will not see my audio play. Imagine say I they call a form sent for here. If I can't play my audio the for play, I say you see it fuck small bear even if you get Ibo sugar daddy. And they fuck, and I don't want to be news. Now because I'm okay, imagine and say I know they talk and come out and they do a kukere. I know they talk and make anybody here. If you never tell is your birthday, and is your birthday on a person will be say, I know me and I know they talk that time, me and I know they even they talk. Put me for a call with person with me and I know they talk. That one, if your birthday, y'all know everything about almost everything about me anyway. When me never know her, is that not a betrayer? Maybe when I know they remove it, as soon as they come out, they change, they remove my name for inside this matter. I don't like her. You see this number, person still they call her. Cause I need to delete her. Even as I say, remove the SIM card. Now only direct line 9, they don't feel they call me again. But with the WhatsApp, they say they call me. If I drop this video now, if I just choose this video, I'll go delete her. I don't need no call at all. I have had enough. Now all those that are useless come when they tell they threaten me. Now they won't make me go do mistake that day. Won't make me go talk with you. I don't like. I know I won't change my line of business. Not a year. I want to change my line of business. My level do upgrade. Yes, now this bitch level do upgrade. I want once I don't ready, I don't change my line of business. I will see introducing that to my people. My people will see back. So they buy and direct. I'm going to upgrade my line of business. Okay. Yes, now, and anybody when go to the social media when you say make me no upgrade, make me not do my thing for the social media, who we are panugu, who we are panugu, because I do my thing. You go panugu, because all way have a manuwe. Some people they make life confession now. Or jegi le one of KU. If they try now, no. They try to say nobody will ever grow for this social media. You go right though. You go right though. All go right. Come here, ready to sow my soul to devil. I ready to sow my soul to devil. Can all dig be or dig be. If you say me my water not boy, you all no go hot too. If you feel say you will drive me at them, you will go fold my hand, they look you, you lie. Who will talk? That devil, when you accept you, that devil need more people to accept. That devil, there is a space for that devil to accommodate me. That devil, he will accommodate me. Yes, so he will accommodate me. That will, all of us will saw a sort of devil for this social media. They mad. He say he nobody, he no go see if he they build down, he go bring my 8 account come down. Because now your papa get the social media. You lie. That devil will accommodate all of us. That devil, he will accommodate all of us for this social media. If you say you don't want to see me yet, then maybe you're also ready to pack and task. Well, why we are la war? We are la war. Then everywhere we all get peace. Where we are bring a page made and make you dead there. I went and not better with VR. I went and not better VR. The audio, the video where they confess broad daylight dead there. We never seen her now. If you are doing so, why am now? Why am you? He said no, we ever see anybody go for this social media. We never seen her be. That devil go ready to accommodate so many people now. Yes, now you go accommodate. Oh, go accommodate. Because since you don't want to let people do their thing for this social media. Oh, sana. You go sow. You go sow. Because they know they like. Say you just go, they do your thing. Make everybody, they don't like. They go, they don't die you. You when they eat other people. You are feeding other people. So people don't feed them under you. Never. All your people, when you they invite to they under you, to they on that fake account. Because you know they encourage people to create their page, to do things. All of them, when they do blog, they do useless blog. They feel come and they do big thing. But instead of you to encourage them to be coming out and do their thing, you encourage them to go to fake accounts. That's evil as you are. But that will not be problem. If you say make it not contain me, every go 20 years not be forever. 10 years not be forever. 10 years is not forever. 10 years is forever. Okay? It not go contain you. Poof. Get the fuck out. Once I just see your comments, it's not that pleasant. It's not good for her. You know, so you don't see nobody call me again. I'll block you, really. I'll block you. Pa! 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 Pop! 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 P! 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 Now me they run now. Because I hear you will not fit chest my view. You can't chest my view. Or you they do saga they tell they give you. Me they nickel they tell they give you. Anybody do it till they give you. Till you die, you don't fit chest my view. I don't want to pay you. I think I was so brave. Last year I break record. This year I break. I think I will break record. Women, they know me. I don't wear a saga. They know you for saga. They know me for pant and bra. They know me for naked. Must me and you they do the same thing? We can't be doing the same thing. So now my own line I be down. I will do my things to get my view. Chest my own. Chest my view if you can. Chest my view if you. I they pull crack for ground. Pull crack for screen. Now me they pull and now me they chest. More chest. Yes. Okay. So for Okiroke Varia, Okiroke Varia is a betrayer. Now she be the betrayer. She is the motherfucking betrayer, okay? Okiroke Varia na betrayer. Cause now she come the record me. They know they talk that one again, no. Where she for come they record me. They record me, they give. If not be say easy baby, easy ogbede, okay, na good person. Now because of that one, I make easy run for her. Even me, I go do the same thing. It's just that I don't know. I no quit no say she go put me for line, she go put her for speaker. You go to talk to another person. You know why my audio never come on, never talk say they only up put my name for there. They no really tell me what I talk. Then you see, that's why it good, not the gossip, not the gossip. That's why they want to use myself. I feel talk anything concerning myself. Now myself, you can't ask me. No, anybody will ask me about myself. No. Nobody will ask me about myself. You feel like everything about myself when I come they tell okay barrier. He can't put her for speaker. Is your bed they come they hear. Now when me and easy one thing come and me and easy come they talk. Then don't want to take rough from. Then one say this one a bad person no. I go put person you and me and easy not they talk. If me and easy they will talk that time. He put it with 3 or 4 they call. That's a different thing. Now me and easy you put me like stranger when I don't know. And you say me I be your goddaughter, I be your transgender goddaughter. Very ugly thing. Me I be transgender, you be Okiro, you ugly die. That's our combination of godmother and goddaughter. You know your rhyme. It be not your rhyme because we're ugly, but you even ugly past me. Now makeup do me when I be your own. Me feel this chest my face come out. I feel this chest my face come out even if I don't make up. Even if I don't make up, I feel bring my face. Your own I make up. Even upon all the makeup, you are still very ugly. And the worst of all, you ugly for face, you ugly for heart. It's very bad. If you ugly for other face, it's for good. Like for me I know, no need to tell me I ugly for other face one. I know you're too fine like that, but my heart's not dark. But if you plan evil for me, if you try to bring my own down, I will plan to kill you. If I say they plan to bring me down, anybody who will try to bring me down, I will plan to kill you. Nobody to bring you. I will waiting to kill you now with the final. They're mad. They plan to bring my effort down. Like that idiot. Ojegi le talk. Now so if they build and finish. The video they go viral now. Why now? Wait for they confess. Broad daylight when I never see her now. Why they bring people effort down. Say what they fall. If you say you will go for her. Your guys are say you all know will go for you. If you plan to bring my own effort down, I will plan to kill you. Now, I will kill your children put. If possible, they craze. Now they mess up everybody for the social media. You are the one. I make an way away me. No. If you and Lolo get problem, make una two your fight. Cause this is one I want to try. Because to even start with, I've said this, even Lolo can come and say, I know they the golden fish. Me, I know they there any group for goodness sake. I'm not in any group. I just love Lolo because the Lolo can't even change. I've said it times without number. Say not be because of Lolo I couldn't beat now money na yo what is it? I don't want to call your dirty name for my platform. Ojegi one of UK. Now you first find my trouble. Don't you win the web verbal? If not be you, if your people when they follow you, they go ask you waiting you do me. You say na lie. Like Eborag buwe. Now because of waiting, now you fair rich where I dey. Diamond Jasper, you can bear me weakness, so Diamond Jasper, you can bear me weakness. When Where this their facts are where everything. Not be she and Lord, not be I call the talk to. Then Jasper is among the people that was writing there. Remove Lolo for inside. Remove Lolo. I can't say no, the two of them are the same thing. I've always know like the two of them are the same. They are the same. I know they remove anyone. Then I'm Jasper. If you see, not see you know. I was like the two of them are the same. Waiting me, I was still talking. If now waiting they put juju, they swear. The first time I started disliking Ojegile was the day he disgo. I don't know Ebony from Adams. I don't know Ebony. I know as a Benin sister. And I know as the person when they try to go in career. The day when it's Ojegile, she tried to do her before. The day when she tried to bring that girl, when she tried to bring her reputation down. You said that your house you did, night they give you. That was the day I started disliking you because I couldn't look that guy. This could be me. This could be me. That day when you did this Guagua Ebony, I call you on that show. That time you are not still there now. You are not still be friend or still be 5 and 6 when you did this Guagua Ebony. For that day I couldn't dislike you. I said, this person fit to do this thing, you know. Then the next one, when I can't take get your person, when I can't take get you, say, okay, I will deal with you. Now, when you carry my video, can't go they insult me for Instagram. Can't use your 3 children hair, swear, say, not be you fair insult me. When you they lie to your puppies, say, nah, lie, you not do me anything. Why are you lying? We are your papa as young one man. You go papa go drink water. Cause all the way too much you be. You two they lie. Everybody now that they find you, no one you define. Whereas now the day they on you define. Me they talk. Me. Since when I did do video, when I couldn't do my video, I did not insult you. I did not come to you. You carry my video, and I may even call you, give you something to do, even dash you money. You carry my video, you cannot go Instagram, go there insult me for them. Waiting I do you. Now from there, as I go insult you back. Because you curse me, I curse you, and I don't care who you be. I don't fear you. Then I curse you now. You say you won't die. Una who? We are at it verbal you get work at your bomb. Can't use your children and swear, so not be you fair curse me. Then me go pull out for you to swear. Then before you and Lolo can't even escalate. I was not fighting because of Lolo. And not be all those your puppies when they fight when they don't know. Fight when they don't know when it starts. Say me, you know, get banamish. When they fight when I know all those your puppies. Was I there? Say because say I can't like Lolo. All of the time they talk say he joined the Golden Fisher. You mad? You look me like person where they put for a group. You know say na me they scatter them. Cause now they like all those bring her head down, bring her head down, bring her head down. Now me go bring all of the art there. Lolo even come and say, I know their group. I know even they talk to Lolo, which one they talk like. I know they talk to them. Person know your fear can't even talk, say you even like anybody. If you like this one, they'll say that this part you there. If you like this one, they'll say that this part you there. You man, you will tell person who you will like. Even up to you, Ojegile. I have said this, I did not, but your evil can't too much. You they confess broad daylight now. Nobody they see you. Share the video for me now. Guys, my people, share the video. If you not sell, one day you will on Instagram. I know say you they happy now say people when they fight for Lolo, that they fight themselves now. You they happy walk borrow. Your end you go too bad for the social media. Or anywhere. You do live yesterday, they use sand. You they press and you everybody when go they bring when you will try to grow for this social media, say you they bring them down. Now you go down. And you know, go where me here I don't care. I will send myself to devil to take your 3 children. You they crazy. They bring my page down. They make me they look you. You they mad. Now you go they sell those idiots. They come meet me. They go they tell them. Me they go they tell me say now for one that to go back go kill you. Wow, warrior. That message when they say that I go kill them. When you have you no book on you no give no hand. If they come and they confess broad daylight, they say Anyone when they try to they grow, you go they bring them down. You go they bring them down. Continue. See your life now. Social for how many years on social media? Your YouTube channel. None of your video even get 100,000 views. 100K view. None of your video gets. Your Facebook. None of your video get 100. Your Instagram none. We just started to beat my Instagram that day. I don't get nothing less than. When I started to beat that day, I don't get almost 24K followers. Which day here? It never reached 3 months. You don't do that for me. The business Instagram only 15K, 12, 14K. You still get idiots. All the Benin people who are married me now, I never see the video when she take the talk, when she take the plan to bring, not be only me, to they bring everybody for the unwe ya nuzu ya popo. Oh ya no when no gyo wa we so we all the people when you dey popo them, he go ask you, cause no one reach where you dey. If your birthday not reach where you dey, before you go they talk say Eriyan kuno boy yeah. Oh, give your way. That they look you, they not see him. You na give a or give when una wawu, so yazen, or direct bay, or rather no cagbele, or marien. Or give when one of wafia gon your tongue. I when I don't boy above fena, I will carry second oje, no worry about bon. Me, I tell you now. If you say you won't drive me enter house, make me not do my thing for this social media. I go enter house. So if you feel say I enter house, go relax, you lie. If you feel say me go enter house, as you say you want to bring my head for the down. Now you come and you can't declare and I say now you now they do. Now you make me go even make that mistake. Now you be your back. Now you come out for this social media. You now wear a Monera beer, a more than beer. Nobody ask you. We go see. You not going to do apology. Una not there yet. Una they do pasha. The pasha gugwa. When he told that thing, a money ye biage more down. Oh, you buy him. And make a senior segbe. Time go come out this if what you doing. We are young one me go back palace. All of us go to your back palace. Go who they do evil. Make them bridge you when you go kill and die there. Who they plan to bring in a down. Mo go point for juju. Mo go see who will come out for there. Ni amwe bonoto latien. May they bring up bonoto. Omo no go zoma popo social media. Ono go zovi obi wa e popo. Ni amwe bola tena do mo boyo. You say you they bring my effort down. Then I go come relax they look you. I will come forward my they look you. Eh? No. I already saw my sort of devil. Iwa hearing the way me, we daji. We me here, we shot we we honey me here, guano. Wa bell, wa warrior. He saved the they build them, go they bring them down. Like, are you for real? You two they talk, okay, bye bye. Get out. Go meet your mama. Get the fuck out. Bye bye. I dare they cry, they shout, they bring my Facebook down. God punish you. You ain't right that idiot. No knows na una. Na yan no go ba na gbugwa wa gbon. Cause they use a new one no kwa. Make una swear put. Na ave di mani la we boni la luwe. Iye meti mwe po gbe yo na. Wa no gi ye ni wa no kwa. Do ya we ni dan wa mwe bo yo aba la luwe. Wa mwe bo gbe yo ave. Cha wo le bebe ye. Wa ma ho na ye ni wa ya to ge yan. Wa ma ho ni na aba la luwe dan. See the other idiot that they talk. Go pay your madam. I pay the money when my madam te bring me quite pen. Or what man say when no don't know many more you're gonna worry. Say Jennifer call this in where is them we get it. Una me like her buy. Go pay your madam. Say young girl ta wole madam we wa him. O we wa avie guess reve na viore no worry about bebe. Go pay your madam, idiots. I pay the money when my madam tell bring me call. What man say? Make the call ask me. Ni mo yegan, imu wa va yegan yo. Why do you even madam? What my big guess here? I want money for social like Facebook. Ige guess no te huanu e. E guess no te huanu wa my mi e. Ugben wo ba obini oba atokpe ugben wo stop e. Wa na wo wa yo pa kan e Facebook egbe. E Jennifer call this if you gwe cause I give me get no go no worry about gun. Oni me ga even luwe. If no you work gun if no ma kan we ni na gbugu na kan when we have a time am. Eh ya we IVF. No go do IVF, idiots. People video when you put for your YouTube, no video where all of them will report all of them. Eh ya report eh. When they strike you ball we be. Who video where you know they do your video put for your YouTube now people video they carry thief. Ojibole. Yahweh video will also let you know. They come and they curse me. Why I not fair curse you? You got nowhere. Who worry ya? Block. They come and they curse me. You go make us you go bullet like Chino. Me I deal with the stammer, me the stammer. I have heaven maybe talk me so. Oh, I said down. Oh my goodness. Here. I want to make I pay madam for why not madam? Why madam? If I hear for your matter, girl, you bring police come your house. Now you bring me come. Now you bring me come. I don't need to pay. Why are you your boy? Can you be my madam? Does it touch you not pay your madam? Anyway, like you get in here, idiot. Don't pay your madam. Don't pay your madam. Don't pay. They talk another thing. They talk of madam. Also, when I'm with the frustration like Facebook, yeah. I go me low, eh? I go me low, eh? Me a gan. Na me they remove. Na me don't want born. If me want born, I know there's war like you. Even if the belly no enter direct, I'll go do IVF. Me, iwa ya IVF. Iwa chest, 10,000 euro ya IVF. I chest, I'm more money yo. When you go then you go say IVF, you might go and worry about gun. Jennifer call ya IVF. If no you wear the gun, no ne bena ballow. Is your birthday? Or ye una ga call the ODL, una ga call the or we may strike. Or you strike in him. Even now, what call the one. Well, now go banai. What do you want that put a strike? And you strike if you don't know how to do it, you let me know. I go do it for you. I go do it for you. Remove the strike. Remove the strike. On not disturb you. Oh, my only my get tired. One I'm here again, you know, to have a big white tie. A frustration, the anger, one and the una the verse for person personally. Una know they talk that one. What the well now go pay your madam. Go pay your madam. Go pay your madam. Go pay your madam. Every imagine now let go pay a con the year. Oh, I not on the year. He might go idiot. Oh, no got attack. Imagine. Oh, yeah. One Mary. Now you bring me because you want a Vegas rate. We wa like guess la wa we no la na wa se e ma me enu ya wu me wi me abie ga gwa lomo me how dey find pikin and then you never pay money to do IVF how come they do social media we nya operation we me ga wo social media I will go and do it and come back yeah IVF idiot rubbish. If you want to talk to me, and the strike when they give you, not be me give you. Woman, not tell me. If none of they talk with they make una the verse. Call they put your frustration. They call they so because not be me and you. You say make I beg is your bed. They now we beg you. He we beg. He make one beg. He now we you know we not busy no. He now we no. Or when nigga they know that one see rich where they beat person put. Only they send what time many I pay madam ba. About time where me pay madam. They tell you say I not pay madam. Go and pay your madam. What it concern madam paying concern what it they grant. Idiot. Fool. Rubbish. Talk to me again, motherfucker. Melissa said she dey come for you all. Wait, power there now. Don't be Melissa when they come for who. And you want me to switch your comment more for that place. Don't be Melissa. She Melissa when don't match now. Make they corner. I don't know why they know they say I even talk for the audio. Make una they call my name, they come at a beg. Make una know they cause una write my name. Melissa write my name for the audio. Make it they call my name. Share my video, maybe and this one when they call the use saga, when they block my video I know they like them. When I let my video rain for 1 month first. Man like cake by video. I get video maybe go viral, no may go viral. You also no boy. I let my video go viral first. That video need to go viral. And if you never reach your hand, if you know say you not get my video when my yarns for fresh, let me know. Make I show you. Make I set down for you personally. Personally, I go deal with you personally. If you not see the video when my yarns for clean, hey, may I send a call for you personally, for personal use. Now let you go use them. Now let you go use that too soapy. You go use that too soapy because this time you don't see my number. I not get number again. I don't throw away because you know, me give me number. Okay. Say I send them. Let me know. Inbox me. I will send a call for you. No beg mommy B. Back to sender. You say waiting. I don't even need to go there. Don't go there. Mommy B never beg faith. Don't go there. Don't go there. I always say, okay, Mommy B, I don't know, not be only Mommy B. There are people, and not beside they find that they go. Now it make me your nyash for your mind. Leave I get from call, leave you know how many people won't touch her. Leave her for me, oh, leave her for me. Hey guys, if you want to order before I will bring my new line of business, please email me. Just get my email for there. And if I see you write another thing, please, if you want to send me email, write and say you need my product, or you want to buy something, or you want to buy tea, or you want to buy waist trainer. So that if another thing I will just block you for that email is very easy for me to block. I will just block direct. And I not get number when I they give anybody again. I know they pull number for my social media again. I won't change my line of business for my social media. And I will not when you may say social media now walk. If you say you know see me here now, you will go. Come me, I'm doing my shit. Make una pour this social media and this thing, make una leave for one side. I know some people you're happy now from one side, from one platform to another. No, you're happy, their depression they cure, you're happy, they go. Saga they sweet. I know say Saga they sweet now. They sweet. You know they sweet me again. I don't know why. Saga know they sweet me again. Cause money not the day. You see all those talk when they talk when money not the day. You're talk from man, talk, no money. You know they freak me again. When you talk about business, we talk about money. When they talk about money, not only money they enter my head as they talk. Like only money. Not only money they enter my when it not be money, I don't like it. You go the issue for my ear, go they pay me. You they pay me. So I don't know those talk when you all talk. At the end of the day, no money. I don't like it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sarah T Boss. All my fans here. All my fans, so follow me one by one. I love you guys so much. I love y'all as my babe, they talk easy. Easy, baby. I say I love you. We love you. We love you to our Riri, not be how those young one. I love you. Nice one, thank you. So before I will bring in Come on for there. Before we bring my link, like introducing my next, I don't know, cause me I even get I dey go school. I don't come for school this morning. I guess tomorrow. No, my sugar daddy they come tomorrow. My sugar daddy they come tomorrow. I know we'll go school tomorrow. So next tomorrow here. So anytime if I just see free, oh we can just see on jolly, I just see on live video. Even if I come back from school, I get time. If I have this video now, I'll go watch film. So tomorrow maybe my sugar daddy dey around. Maybe I don't know whether they don't put restaurants because I like you don't think when I go restaurants. Bush Lion say he go beat you. Leave that ugly thing, make it they go. I know why y'all got that Bush Lion side though. Bush Lion can't swear, say you not call me. And before you swear, see, I know why y'all go they say again. Because I don't know you for madams. Make I put this one here now. The grace. God punish you. You not go to talk why. See, I know why people then say because if I can't see tell this one, like you see, you can't see the long. You go can't see the long they go. Now, person tell me say I don't know your voice. I don't know if Bush Lion. Anything you want plan, do anything, you kill your children, kill yourself. They mad. I mean, Bobo no Boama Wabone. Now your head will be like amigo. Ugly thing. Say I want fuck thing. Yes, my daughter does social media. Yes, and I mean they run and I mean they chest on. Say I want fuck person and I idiot like you know I want fuck. Ugly thing. That is, and you don't even get money. If you even get money, now the thing go even pass. If you get money, I feel if a pass you, I feel chest up or show mole or show baba. I they chest those ones. You not get money, I'll come fuck you for waiting. They mad. You even see the bekus. You not go see I'm idiot. You say you wait the nigga you wait toto. Yes, my toto de boy you not see I'm fuck. You not come find the toto can swear who worry about bon. If you not come for back, you know this in hand. What do I told with that bone bell? Person call me. Say now you call me for I deadline you call me. When I can't trace the number when you take call, the person when they call me for America, I can't trace and go WhatsApp. I can't see and say this person don't they write me since. You call this say now you. I don't know your voice. I don't know you. You and the people with the social media. Now you call me say now Bush Lion they call you yours. Now what the Bush Lion they call you for? I na vapor you no bell. I not feel fuck you idiot. Make me fuck away. Who may go iwe who broke ass niggas. I don't fuck broke ass niggas. I don't fuck broke ass. You see this bekus? You see and there you don't fair come. I know now. If na don't come for head, if na don't come for back, you no want come fuck. You know this one on a hand. Why do I agbe me with that bo? Eri agbe man, I saw that they beat me oh. All of them, I saw that they do oh. They know they talk about the verse oh. Hey Jesus. A bush, why they make a bush lion? A bush dog. Not be even a bush dog. Eh? You want me to bust you the crazy, that they fear you. They mad. We're not going to American, go, knock on. Now let the fake account in here now. Maybe they report. You just say, I don't know, so you join among the bad people when they report people account. They go deal with you. If you see me for ground, fear will let you chase me. Man, break by you, I don't worry about but that they fear you God punish you. Now you get the social media. If you say any of them will say maybe not social media, you go and task in a grace. Wow, well, you say I see the video, I not even the video, I say this idiot. You when you don't come fight bekus for hidden, you not see. Talk waiting, they make you the vessel, what boom radio. My bekus not become and do I will pay. Only why I exchange with dog me. I feel naked for social media, do everything, but you know the fuck bam. You don't see that they don't come beat me, tell my friend because I go fuck another person prick. I the naked though, but me you come fuck another. Or masu wabo, or when you know my son wabo with my yahoo. Or masu wabo and well wagun. Or masu wabo. I think or masu wabo. Now, but I don't come and do I will pay. That one where you go say, why you not fuck Felice? I dey fuck Felice. If I fuck Felice, I will fuck John. You are fucking Felice. I say, man, he might be a fuck you back. Now, my toto, she not the dickhead though, but everybody when you want release for social media, that they use and they release one. And yes, I get naked. I mean the chest, I'm on chest. It toto de chare, that one way toto de everywhere. You not come from back. Where ma si ere vieke. Wa time ata ogun agbelu wa. No wa na time ata na wa fi obo yo gun ba na wo sweat juju. Wa fe bo. You go come and the top for us, you go visit a better person. Eh? see dog line. Eh? Ugly thing warrior. These are the fear you go punish. I know you from Adams. Do I know you? You a Chris. Idiot. Say I want even fuck person. I'll call say na dirty thing like you. See, if you want make I tell you person, make I just talk for a year, okay? And a two person now involved. Melissa and Mommy B. Now you talk and say, now you call me for my live video. Yes. Mommy B, they call me that they are not pick. He can't go call Melissa. Say go call ITO, go call Serati boss. Bush Lion will say that no. That's it. Bush Lion they call Sarah. He wants to go do Toto like come and do and we pay. Oh, that one where they take the exchange. Go call Sarah. Oh, make it drive Bush Lion. Go call Sarah. Now Bush Lion they call and so me you go meet them. I was like Bush Lion. They call me. Now he call because I don't know his voice. And he said now I don't know his voice. I don't know anything like. I don't even know that one they exist. I only the year say dog lion day. I don't even know whether anything like dog lion day, you know, they bush or they forest. I did not know, you know. I don't know whether anything like dog anything there anywhere. When I go trace the number, the American number, when the idiot take call me, when that person take call me for my live video, I go see and say, this person me and I know the shadow. The person saying they come Spain. Now I tell them say Spain big now. When they call it, he don't know say before me enter social media, all of them when you see before social media, I say before me to fuck or you both day when if I want fuck in your creek or you both day Kokobiri day Senegal day, I get all that choice to fuck. Even if not to your fuck normal prick, not before money they agree me. I get all that option than for me to say na social media for one come fuck and not become a do I will pay. When Felix and all that they use, if they want Bekwa, they tell they Bekwa. Me I not be here. I not be here. When I trace the class, this person be don't write me for him boss. So you not see like I would like I not feel they chat with person when I know they see him face. I know they see the person face. So I end the chat. I don't even chat with you like normally. Say they cost me, can't do it. I did not even say this one. The conversation was long. And the time when you called me last year, was it December or November? When they said now you. The corner this they say. I did not even want to say because the thing you call the long. And November, you say not be China. Person when he call me, come to say, a Bush Lion, they call you to death. Now Bush Lion, they call you for your live video now. Drive one more every day. They say now come and do I will pay. Drive one now go say I no worry now. All of them they send many they come. I know they fuck all those broke ass dick. If I want fuck broke ass dick, I know where to go. Your shop, your clean mouth. So that's it. I even have a boy. Cause they talk with your ugly face. You ugly, you don't get money, joiner. Then na me, you don't go even see the total fuck. Even if the total they don't show me that where they me they su ball. He no go reach your hand. That's what ball. That's what ball. Where worry no go reach. That too they now they rush me. You know how many people they want fuck huh? Now they rush me. Now they rush me. So go out and I don't know. I don't even know your voice. I know they watch. Even if I wish I did watch you. I did watch your video. I didn't know your voice. Now for nothing that you call. As people say, I don't know who they call. I don't know who called me that day. I didn't the video see that your voice see the video. So if you want, I'll go call that video. Come out. So why? If not be you call me. If they call trace and say not be you, I will apologize to you. And the people when they even talk, I will apologize to you. I said that you call they call me, they come on, they carry your dirty prick, they reach where I did. Now that one they say you want beat people. I don't know you from Adams. I don't know you from anywhere, okay? I don't know you. So if you say you there, you can they talk with your ugly face, get the fuck out. Say you know that one way they nick that one that but you way. Have your ugly thing, no be your worry, because you ugly, so your children go ugly. Idiot. You go see this Toto fuck, you know go happy. You get to say now come and do I will pay Toto. It is sweet, the peku sweet. So you not go reach your hand, okay? Eso boy. No matter what boy we be yahu. Eso boy. This one not be the one that they tell the exchange for you boss. For inside group one they all the group made don't fuck and finish. Well maybe I do one we fuck. What's the one we fuck on no. One I tell the exchange that no. Me I they white my own for social media. Yes, it was white there. It was spread there. It was anya poto, anya pate. Many my people tell they do soapy. And many people use my that video tell they do soapy. Yes. Now me you can't do now. If you rich and you feel do. If you get money you feel do. Say broadcasting like you. No, sorry. Yeah, I'm not available, darling. I want to like James Brown. You are not available, darling. I like James Brown. Where James Brown and Bobrisky, because they're my brothers. Will be transgender. Will be the same. I'm not available, darling. I'm not. This Pekus is not for come and do and I will pay. Though you have a pay, me I'll do your account now. You go do me, and me go see pay you. Hey Jesus, nothing when Musano will see forget. Hey, you know here. Love your guys. So that one, go to where I bought to arches. You know when my say you too small, well. No, if you don't say no be you, I don't tell you, Melissa and Mommy B, the two of them, they say now you call me. I did not even think about it. Like I didn't even know say now you. They say go see bush lion, we don't reach the goat lion, a big dog lion, a big rat lion. A rat lion we say when I cause what are you they fear for? When Melissa call me, Melissa call it us rat lion don't reach here. I say a rat lion, don't worry. A rat lion you be ugly, babe. Me I no feel the fuck or bass now. Bass will not get money. Or bass said your name go. You now bass you not get money. You can't want to fuck me for what now? I don't fuck or bass that is broke. I won't fuck ugly person like you. I not say okay, it day. Because Ogoro must jump. Ogoro must jump. Okay? So love you guys. Thank you all so much. Like and follow this page. There's Serati bros, the balls. I mean they run. I mean the chest. Yes, thank you all so much. Thank you all so much. Go send that message. Go give the rat lion. Big bell. The minute go they use that man. Rubbish. Even now I want myself my so I don't talk how it be. So if you not take like that, me I beg one for my face. Curse me, I will use you like rag. Idiot. They say that one way they open Toto, that one way Toto devil. Way there everyone must have ball. Where don't very bad do we mageleve me. Because before Mommy B go talk say na you or Melissa will talk say na you. They must know say na your voice because all those people don't take for the industry, they know your voice. Where very bad do we mageleve or must have born uri okoi. I know somebody they pepper now. Una many way better the pepper when we say now come my boss finish. You not reach una hand. What do I do live video? What do I do a Facebook email? What do I make nonsense? I know now. Oh, but not reach your hand. Why you they cry? You just said the girl lose before. For your mind, say okay, as you the open Toto, she lose. When una come, I can't say not be come and do I will pay. Come and do I will pay. No, she they wear cloth, she they wear. But if you go meet and she go pull a dance, like if you using her, I tell look and she know they wear clothes. Na nya poto. Anyone they pass, they put our fear, your fear. Anyone they'll see beat and join have a bokewu. Since when I dey nick for social media, they don't say they don't beat me, break my hand, or they don't beat me, say you the 4 person husband. I dey nick that they nick. You say they don't beat me, say the 4 person husband. Only my you where level the past level. They I rather to naked yeah than they'll come they beat me for person husband who come and do I will pay. They'll see fucking, you'll see page and they'll see beat you. Ah, that one a cause. Ah, God forbid oh. Who may award there? Who may pay you have a whereby? I may marking when next time people can remember that they give a mark for face. Why are you marking them a face now? Dege because all born I dege video. Why are you there? I mean like by why ojekia? I will go back. You will come and talk your back. When you award there, walk your back. Worry I. Oh your back. Hold on. If I show you a boo with what for you make bear. He wag be myself for no bucket. Though you can't life the con they cry. Ni I boo go bucket where do you have via? Oh, to look back. If they don't beat some people finish because another person prick. Cause they can't in head be me. He ain't bang you, but this small one with the man given. They don't beat something for a body. He ain't make baby on my wall. He ain't my pan. He ain't my poo. They beat him. Or the many say he pay puto. You don't see where you will pay for prick. They'll see beat you put. You go call that video, oh your ba. You when you go 4 person your husband, you not be oh your ba no well. Idiot. Where I don't know some of you are dead desperate for this social media. So you dead desperate rich like that you find person when you first get wife. Oh no, you got married. Oh my God. Oh we I give you. Wow, warrior. Now me on the rubbish. Yeah, is a good way. Eto gwale husband by fire by. For now we have go your. If they want to give her money, we want to put money for her for Nigeria. A man when he put the desperate social media now. Una won't marry by force. Whether you get wife or not care. I was 7. Oh, it don't reach like that. Ebo mamu edaki mamu. Agi me ebo ye more. That means say the Igbo old. I even me no move me yeah sister. At least the man even chest ass. I see who carry whether good or bad. But the old one they not carry you. The young one not carry. The black not carry. No we mo ko ne wi ye we mu. Oh where? I tell you where they do your win. He say no they carry. Ah Jesus, am I so cool ne? Who were cool? Who were for? Who were done? Rubbish. Idiot. Oh your ba. E for session na ya gbu oboke wu we ra mo e yu nwere. We ka ya hili ne gbe me nu gbe me nya gbu egbe. How can husband and wife go beat person like that? Yeah, in fact, if you have a can't be. Why not one mic, baby, one of my war. If not, the mess, oh, we're marrying Makini, you are. I only so that I was the girl born while you are more vile. Oji, no, Jojo. Ala Joji. Come, if a night wear, come a bad night wear so that if you go your. They to just you no make a na jo. Oh, mother. A night wear. Oh, go where we are jo. Where we have a ra. Una ya jo na we are network get buy. So can't useless. You like can't go fuck man. Can't wear the man. The club when I see for them me the boss. When me go on your night wear, go on your nigga. Bole kiali e ko the night wear me le. I go. Una we total. When I do. Yeah, my boy say, ah, no, you your teeth no good. They not beat you rich. Yeah, my boy say, no, never beat you well. Me, I go open to infinity, but I be me where we are doing kiamu awu where me always sunu every sunu okay my total girl level you feel the see like this or you feel the see nyash you feel the see everything but all give any half year yo anyone when they pass the shoot for your own I made a shoot for my own on every sunu there rubbish. Love you guys. You guys are wonderful. If you want to place your order, email me. I'm not getting number again. I don't get nobody will call me again now. Okay? Love you guys. Thank you all. Leave and let others live on social media. If you say make any other person not live, make now only you want to do social media. You know go bow. You know go bow. Me I ready to say my 10 years don't be forever. 10 years is not forever. Now they bring my page down. They say if I build down, you will see people they build page, they build after you bring them down. Now where they go where good me go away. You say this social media not go contain me because me I ready. You know go see contain you. Bass boss. Yes so. You not play audio. And now audio will play audio. Don't worry. Love you. They will kill me today. I will make audio. Audio. We'll play audio. We'll play audio. Don't worry. Love you so much, baby.